Hello, dear friends. In my previous video, we have seen about the play The Dread Departure, written by Satish Alekar, a well known Indian English dramatist, actor, and director also. In this video, we are going to see act wise summary of the play. There are two acts. I have seen these two acts also, but I would like to tell you about what exactly there in act number first and act number second. So that will be better to understand act number first and second with the help of the summary. As you know, Bhaurao is the hero of the drama who is already dead. He is the protagonist in the play and is a common man living in a chawl. Chawl means a small lane in Pune, who is in his 50s, almost completed 50 of his age. At the beginning of the play, he tries to convey and convince his wife, Rama, that he is no more as he died in his sleep last night. Try to understand the situation first. Bhaurao is already dead in the last night sleep, and he tries to convince his wife Rama that he is already dead in the sleep last night. But she ignores him, assuming that he is just joking, playing a prank. She is not ready to believe on his words. Even she ignores him and assuming that he is just joking, playing a prank. Bhaurao then proves his demise by giving her some strong evidences. He makes her believe in whatever he is saying by bringing to her notice the reaction of the Chalkari neighbors. Chalkari in Marathi. So the situation is this. Bhaurao provides some evidences, strong evidences of his demise, and he makes her believe in whatever he is saying by bringing to her notice the reaction of the Chalkaris, neighbors. There is quite importance of the reactions of neighbors after the death of Bhaurao, who collected there. The same thing Bhaurao trying to tell her wife Rama. Rama finally understands and accepts that he is dead. After seeing the situation and gathering of the neighbors, Rama accepted the death of Bhaurao at last. All the people were gathered there. People were discussing about his death. And the evidences given by Bhaurao to his wife proved that Bhaurao is already dead. Rama finally understands and accepts that Bhaurao is dead, and she cries and starts mourning over her husband's death. It is an obvious thing of any wife after the death of her husband. She starts to mourn. Some women mourn loudly, some slowly, but there is a mourn definitely after the death of a husband. Bhaurao then imagines all the proceedings of his funeral and the last rites. He depicts how his neighbors would react to the situation. As I have told you already that the drama is a dark comedy which is based on the death of Bhaurao. And Bhaurao himself isolatedly observes the funeral and the reactions of the neighbors, along with the reaction of his wife as well as his son, isolatedly, and narrates the whole situation to the audience. He depicts how his Chalkaris and neighbors would react to the situation. Unfortunately, on the day of his demise, Bhavrao's only son Nana is his son, is not in town. He has gone to play a sport tournament in some other town. All the neighbors are waiting for Nana's arrival. Miss Nana is not in the house. He has gone already to another town to play a sport tournament. And all the people gathered there are waiting for Nana, who is the son of Bhaurao. Last rites are on hold due to his delay. Nana did not come earlier. Bhaurao vividly illustrates everything that would happen in this waiting time. In the first act of the play, Bhaurao vividly illustrates everything. The reaction of the neighbors, reaction of the wife, and all the things happened there, he narrates or illustrates through his own view. Finally, Nana arrives, the funeral starts, and neighbors accompany Nana to the crematorium, but they all get stuck as they get to know that municipal corporation has shut down that crematorium and a new one is set up far away. The rites get further delayed. After the arrival of Nana, the funeral was started. All the neighbors was engaged the funeral. When they come to the old crematorium where the people dead people used to buried or burnt. After coming the doorsteps of old crematorium, the neighbors came to know that municipal corporation has already closed this crematorium and new crematorium was started. So once again the rites get further delayed. Bhaurav then fantasizes that he is through with all the rituals and has reached the heaven. Nana makes him realize that it is not over yet. The last rites are yet to be done. Bhaurav insists that he would want his last rites to be performed in the old crematorium only, and Nana explains the hindrances in doing so. So there is a conflict between Nana and Bhaurav. Bhaurav desires that his last rites means the rituals on doing after the death. His last rites, giving a fire, giving a fire to him. This last rites to be done in the old crematorium only. Omkareshwar, the name of the old crematorium is Omkareshwar and new crematorium is Vaikunth. Bhaurav insisted that his last rites to be done, to be performed in the old crematorium only, but the Nana, his son, says that the old crematorium is closed by the municipal corporation authorities, so it is not possible the last rite to be performed on Bhaurav in the old crematorium. Crematorium where the dead bodies are burnt or buried. So this is the first act. In this first act, we come to know the three characters, major three characters. Bhaurav, who is already dead in the last night's sleep. Second one is Rama, who is the wife of Bhaurav. Initially, who does not ready to believe that his husband is dead, and finally accepts that her husband is dead. And third character is Nana, who is not in the home at the time of the death of Bhaurav. He went to another town to play sports tournament. He came late, and that's why funeral was also late due to his late arrival. And funeral then delayed due to the closing of old crematorium by municipal authorities. So these are the events in the act first, and all these events are isolatedly narrated by dead Bhaurav. So this is the style of Sati Shalaikar. Actually, after the death of a person, the particular person doesn't have any feelings about what will be done with his dead body. But here, the dead Bhaurav tells us means audience, each and everything about his funeral ceremony and the rituals performed by his blood relatives and neighbors. We will see the second part of the drama, that is second act of this drama, in my next video. Till then, thank you.